Welcome to the quick walkthrough of SillyChar. You are starting by seeing the API setup dialog. You need to have an API key for either Google Gemini, OpenAI, or OpenRouter. OpenAI-compatible AI engines are also supported to some extent. Gemini is best tested and supports all features directly or via OpenRouter. You see here the default window. On the top, you can switch between light and dark theme, have a debug switch and AI edit button, both I explain later, and the possibility to change the AI settings. When creating a character, you can choose the type of environment the character lives in, a fantasy world, anime, a realistic and custom world. Also, you can create characters for NSFW play. I will explain the custom world later. For now, we create a witch which live in a traditional fantasy world. Once the character is generated, you see the various characteristics filled in. Feel free to adjust them as you wish. Also, the additional definitions like scenario are filled in. Pay close attention to the example messages. Those are the most defining way how the character is formed. There are also pre-generated image generation prompts, one for Stable Diffusion, if you run this, and a natural language prompt for Nano Banana and Dolly. Let's generate a picture of Morwenna. As it is a fantasy character, the art type is pre-selected for fantasy art, but you can change it. Using Nano Banana is recommended. It results in the best pictures. Let's assume we want to change the character, but more on a broad level. Enter AI Edit. By the way, the approximate token size of the generated character is always shown on the top. Let's make some visible changes to the character. All changed fields are shown with a different background. As you can see, not only her appearance is changed, but also all affected other characteristics. Let's generate a character sheet of her in the new appearance in a realistic way. SillyChar creates a markdown file with the character definitions, which you can see further down. You can edit it. The changes are reflected in the fields further up. You also can see the Silly Tavern character as JSON source code and download both the markdown as well as the JSON. Now some more advanced things. With the debug switch, you can see all prompts that are being sent to the AI and modify it if you want. You have also a test character button at the bottom in which you can have a conversation with the character to see if it works the way you want. The chat is transient and is lost as soon as you close it.